Your phone buzzes with a text from the group chat, and suddenly there's a dinner on the calendar for Friday night at a place that easily runs $70 a person. Your stomach drops because you already know how this plays out. You genuinely want to see your friend and be part of the group, but the price tag on these plans really stinks. This leaves you stuck between two choices that both feel like losing. You either say yes and spend money you don't have, or you say no and be that flaky friend who never shows up. Sound familiar? I've helped millions improve their finances, and I'll give you 3 specific moves that allow you to turn down an invite without the guilt and ensure your friends see you as someone with a plan instead of someone who's just being stingy. The biggest mistake you can make in this situation is saying "I can't afford it," because that makes you sound desperate. It makes your friends feel awkward or tempted to cover your tab, which just makes it weird for everyone involved. Here's what you should do instead. Shift the conversation away from your lack of funds and toward your personal rules for spending. By framing it as a rule, you show that your decision is a conscious choice and not a limitation. Imagine a scenario where Sarah gets invited on a $200 weekend trip with her friends. If she says she doesn't have the money, her friends might think she's struggling or being irresponsible with her finances. The new way, where she says she appreciates the invite but explains that the trip doesn't fit her personal travel spending rule right now, sounds much more confident. Notice how the energy of the conversation changes when you stop defending your bank account and start stating a boundary. You're simply explaining how you operate, and most people will respect a clear boundary. So just say the invite doesn't align with your current plan and then move the conversation forward without any long apologies. What I'm about to share next flips the script. By the way, if this video is helping you, please like and subscribe. It helps more people find practical money management tips like these. There are times when you don't want to skip the hangout entirely. This is where the workaround strategy becomes your best friend. Here's what to do. Instead of declining the invite, offer an alternative. If you get invited to a dinner that costs $60, you can suggest grabbing tacos at a local spot instead. Now, you're still showing up and contributing to the night, but you've cut the cost in half. The key here is that offering an alternative shows that you value the people involved and want to spend time with them, even if you don't value that specific expense. Your friends will respect this honesty much more than a fake yes. Now, here's where things get tricky. The final piece of the puzzle is a mental shift about the word no. Remember, missing one specific dinner doesn't mean you're missing out on the entire friendship. And if someone drops you over a single declined invite, that's a problem with them, not you. If saying no bothers you, write down 3 things you want to save up for right now. Having these goals in mind will help you stay strong. When that feeling of missing out hits and you start second-guessing yourself, just remind yourself exactly why you said no in the first place. But if you're tired of constantly saying no, it's time you amp up your income. Watch this video to 5x your income using 3 rules that have worked for successful people.